कपड़े पहने, अनावला के कपड़े मैं बहुत पहनती हूँ, पर मुझे इंडियन गारमेंट्स और इंडियन फैब्रिक से मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है आई थिंक इंडियन वुमेन पर। तो आई एम वेरी प्लीज्ड टू बी हियर। आई वांटेड टू सपोर्ट अनावला, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर।
I think because I love saris so much, I was probably one of the first few who started wearing Anna. In fact, I remember about 2 or 3 years back, she came to a shoot of mine and she said, "Why don't you wear my sari and do a press con with me?" And I remember looking at the sari and thinking, "Oh my God, why don't more people wear this?" And now I'm so glad everyone's wearing Anna saris.
I love Anavila's work. I think she's one of our most talented designers who actually works with craftsmen, works with handloom, works with very, very Indian textiles and creates something very timeless. Not just modern, but very timeless, very elegant, even though they're very simple. So she really goes with my style. So her aesthetic really goes well with me. It fits me. So I'm particularly fond of her work.
Anavila is a very, very. I really like her work. She's a very, very simple person. Every time I've met her and I've interacted with her, I really like the way she is in life. She's very minimalistic, simplistic, and I think her clothes also exude that. I love the fabrics. It's mostly linen. And even the saris and the blouse and the cuts, it's really modern but very wearable, and very light. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बहुत सिंपल है, और ये जो टेक्सटाइल है वो यूज़ करती है बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है। थोड़ा क्रीज ज़्यादा पड़ जाते हैं तो संभाल के पहनना पड़ता है, बट मुझे बहुत पसंद है उसका स्टाइल।
Been an admirer of Anavila, and she was one of, I've always loved wearing handloom saris. I'm just so happy that she's taken it to another level, where she has her signature stamp on the stuff she does and the weave that she produces, but it's also, it shows color, and it's dramatic, but it's dramatic in its simplicity. It's not there shouting for attention, saying, "Look at me," but it's there just by the simplicity of the beautiful magic of that weave. You know that you're in something special.
Where I've been a fan of Anavila from the start. I think probably from when she began. I hope so. I love the fabric she uses. I love the clothes that she makes. I'm wearing Anavila right now, and the saris are so unique. I just love her work. It's so like earthy, and it goes. I like it. I mean, for my personality, I relate to her work.
I think the kind of fabrics that she uses and the kind of colors that she uses is something that I really, really like. With her clothes, I know that if I pick anything from the rack, it'll be to my taste. So I'm very comfortable wearing any of her clothes.
She's a designer that's really earthy, and her earthiness just transports into every little part that she does. I really love the fact that, her fabric is totally woven. I love the fact that she wears Indianness so beautifully, and I love the simplicity of everything. There is nothing that's over, okay, and still it's so beautiful and so attractive and feels so good when you wear it.
So Anavila is a wonderful craftsman, and she really knows how to weave a story, and I feel the sexiest in a sari. So Anavila enables us to really find the goddess in us, and really I'm amazed by how she's just reinventing herself while keeping her own style and signature alive. So I'm very excited for her new store, and I hope more and more people wear and drape an Anavila story.